music film, Earth by world record breaking of the youngest female director, Natasha Dematra is screened on National Conservation Day 2017 at Baluran National Park, Situbondo, East Java, Indonesia. Earth is a creative environmental campaign. National Conservation Day itself is a nature conservation movement to raise awareness of the importance of nature conservation, and foster a public role in saving biodiversity, conservation, and environment. The music film, Earth was screened together with Song for Nature, in Baluran National Park on August 9. The film is watched by more than 300 participants, which include high school students and community leaders. The music film, Song for Nature, was first launched on International Environment's Day 2016 and managed to touch the hearts of the audience. This music film was selected as an environmental campaign material. The celebration of National Conservation Day was opened by Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs Darman Nasution together with the Minister of Environment and Forestry Siti Nurbaya Bukhar. The series of events are wildlife releases, biosphere reserve placements, music and art performances, national park festivals, national nature conservation jamboree, Bayan Jungle Run, coastal clean and mangrove planting, Nusantara bicycle, and introduction of park conservation area to general public. Natasha Dematra herself said, "Keep flourishing this film in foreign countries and in the country. I hope may be an inspiration for many people that the campaign through creative things can produce results." In November, The Earth has been screened at the UN Climate Change Conference in Marrakech, Morocco.
Dan sebelum saya akan memandu beberapa film yang akan saya putarkan dengan rekan-rekan yang lain.
In early February, the music film, which was launched in September 2016 in Mangala Wanabakti, was awarded the Best Soundtrack Gold Award by a festival in California. In March, the film was selected as opening film at a film festival in New York. In June 2017, the Silver Palm Award was awarded for Best Music Film category and won a prestigious film festival in Mexico, and was awarded Gold Kahuna Award in Music Film category in Hawaii. DKR-TV reported from Baluran National Park, Situbondo, East Java.
Lagunya juga bisa bikin baper di hati, gak cuma lagu-lagu cinta yang bisa bikin baper, tapi lagunya itu sampai terbawa akan suasana lagu yang dia bawakan, yang dia kelola dan dia ciptakan.